Hydrogen chloride, or HCl, is a gas. You can't see it, but it has a really strong, sharp smell. Imagine walking into a room and being hit by an intense, pungent odour that makes your eyes water and your throat burn. That's what HCl can do. It's a colourless gas, but don't let its invisibility fool you. The smell is unmistakable and can be quite overpowering. The smell is so strong that even a small amount can be detected by the human nose. It's kind of like when you accidentally mix bleach and cleaner in the bathroom, but way worse. The reaction produces a choking, acrid smell that can make it hard to breathe. This is why HCl is often handled with extreme caution in both industrial and laboratory settings. HCl forms when hydrogen and chlorine combine. This combination can occur naturally, such as in volcanic gases, or it can be manufactured in industrial processes. The reaction between hydrogen and chlorine is highly exothermic, meaning it releases a lot of heat. This makes the production of HCl a carefully controlled process to ensure safety and efficiency. Industries use HCl to make all sorts of things. It's a versatile chemical with a wide range of applications. For instance, it's used in the production of plastics, which are essential in countless everyday items. From packaging materials to household goods, plastics play a crucial role in modern life, and HCl is a key ingredient in their manufacture. HCl is also used in making fertilizers, which are vital for modern agriculture. Fertilizers help to replenish essential nutrients in the soil, promoting healthy plant growth and increasing crop yields. Without fertilizers, it would be challenging to produce enough food to meet the demands of the global population. In addition to plastics and fertilizers, HCl is used in the production of some foods. It's involved in processes like the hydrolysis of starches and proteins, which are essential steps in creating various food products. This makes HCl an important component in the food industry, contributing to the production of items we consume daily. HCl is also used to treat water and in the manufacturing of dyes and pharmaceuticals. In water treatment, HCl helps to adjust the pH levels, ensuring that the water is safe for consumption and use. In the pharmaceutical industry, HCl is used to synthesize various medications, playing a crucial role in healthcare. It's a busy little molecule. Despite its small size, HCl has a significant impact on many industries and processes. Its versatility and effectiveness make it an invaluable chemical in various applications. But even though it has many uses, HCl can be very dangerous if not handled properly. Exposure to high concentrations of HCl can cause severe respiratory issues, skin burns, and eye damage. This is why safety protocols are strictly followed when working with HCl, ensuring that workers are protected from its harmful effects. It's important to understand the risks and how to stay safe around this common but potent gas. Proper training, protective equipment, and adherence to safety guidelines are essential to prevent accidents and injuries. By respecting the power of HCl and handling it with care, we can safely harness its benefits while minimizing the risks. HCl is corrosive. This means it has the ability to cause severe damage to materials it comes into contact with. When we say something is corrosive, we mean it can chemically wear away or destroy other substances. This is particularly concerning in industrial settings where HCl is often used. The damage it can cause isn't just limited to metals. It can also affect other materials like plastics and even human tissue. That means it can eat away at things like metal. Imagine a piece of machinery that is crucial for production. If HCl comes into contact with it, the metal can start to corrode, leading to potential equipment failure. This not only disrupts operations, but can also be extremely costly to repair or replace. The integrity of the machinery is compromised, which can lead to dangerous situations if not addressed promptly. Imagine spilling orange juice on your bike and forgetting about it. Over time, the acid in the juice would start to eat away at the metal, causing rust and weakening the structure. Now, think about HCl, which is much stronger and more aggressive. The damage it can do is far more severe and happens much more quickly. This is why it's so important to handle it with care and ensure it is stored properly. That's kind of what HCl can do, but way faster and to much tougher materials. The speed at which HCl can corrode materials is alarming. In just a short amount of time, it can cause significant damage that would take other substances much longer to achieve. This rapid corrosion can lead to unexpected failures in industrial settings, making it crucial to monitor and control the use of HCl carefully. This gas is also really bad for your health. When HCl is in its gaseous form, it becomes even more dangerous. Inhaling it can cause immediate and severe health issues. Workers in industries where HCl is used must wear protective gear to minimize exposure. This includes masks, gloves, and protective clothing to ensure they are not harmed by accidental contact or inhalation. Breathing in HCl can burn your nose, throat, and lungs. The irritation caused by inhaling HCl can be extremely painful and can lead to long-term health problems. In severe cases, it can cause respiratory distress, making it difficult to breathe. This is why safety protocols are so important in workplaces where HCl is present. Proper ventilation and the use of respiratory protection can help mitigate these risks. It can even cause serious breathing problems or even death. The consequences of exposure to HCl are not to be taken lightly. In extreme cases, the damage to the respiratory system can be fatal. This underscores the importance of emergency response plans and medical readiness in facilities that use HCl. Quick and effective treatment can make the difference between life and death in these situations. If it gets in your eyes, it can cause burns and vision problems. Nobody wants that. The eyes are particularly vulnerable to chemical burns from HCl. Even a small splash can cause severe pain and potential vision loss. This is why eye protection is mandatory in environments where HCl is handled. Eye wash stations should be readily available to provide immediate relief and reduce the risk of long-term damage. But it's not just people that need to be careful. The impact of HCl extends beyond human health. When released into the environment, it can cause significant ecological damage. Industrial plants must take measures to prevent HCl from leaking into the surrounding areas. This includes proper containment and disposal methods to ensure that the chemical does not harm the environment. HCl released into the environment can pollute the air and water. When HCl enters the air, it can contribute to air pollution, which affects both human health and the environment. In water, it can lower the pH, making it more acidic. This can have devastating effects on aquatic life, disrupting ecosystems and harming wildlife. The long-term environmental impact of HCl pollution can be severe and difficult to reverse. This can harm plants and animals and mess up ecosystems. The delicate balance of ecosystems can be thrown off by the introduction of HCl. Plants may struggle to grow in more acidic soil, and animals may suffer from the contaminated water and air. The ripple effects of this can be far-reaching, affecting not just the immediate area, but also the broader environment. Protecting ecosystems from HCl pollution is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and environmental health. That's why it's super important to monitor HCl levels and make sure it doesn't leak out and cause harm. Regular monitoring and maintenance are key to preventing HCl from causing damage. This includes using advanced detection systems to identify leaks early and taking immediate action to address any issues. By staying vigilant and proactive, industries can minimize the risks associated with HCl and protect both people and the planet. So how do we know if HCl is around? We use special devices called detectors. One type uses something called electrochemical sensors. These sensors are pretty neat. They have a special material that reacts with HCl. This reaction creates a tiny electrical signal. The stronger the signal, the more HCl is in the air. It's like a smoke detector, but for invisible, dangerous gas instead of smoke. These detectors are super sensitive and can detect even the smallest amounts of HCl, keeping us safe. Section 4, keeping an eye on HCl, where it matters most. HCl monitoring is essential in many different places, from industrial plants to water treatment facilities. The importance of monitoring hydrochloric acid cannot be overstated. This highly corrosive substance, while incredibly useful in various applications, poses significant risks if not handled properly. Ensuring the safety of workers, the environment, and the general public is paramount. Factories that use HCl in their processes need to be extra careful. These facilities often have complex systems of pipes and tanks where HCl is stored and transported. Any leak, no matter how small, can lead to dangerous situations, including chemical burns, respiratory issues, and even explosions. Therefore, constant vigilance and regular maintenance are crucial. They use detectors to make sure no HCl is leaking from pipes or equipment. These detectors are sophisticated devices designed to sense even the smallest amounts of HCl in the air. When a leak is detected, alarms are triggered and immediate action can be taken to address the issue. This proactive approach helps prevent accidents and ensures a safer working environment. Water treatment plants also use HCl detectors. In these facilities, HCl is used to adjust the pH levels of water, making it safe for consumption. However, the use of such a potent chemical requires stringent monitoring to avoid any mishaps. They use HCl to purify our drinking water. The process involves adding precise amounts of HCl to neutralize contaminants and pathogens. This ensures that the water reaching our homes is clean and safe. However, the margin for error is slim, and any deviation from the prescribed amounts can lead to contamination or other health hazards. But it's crucial to make sure just the right amount is used and that none of it escapes into the environment. Environmental safety is a major concern, as HCl can cause significant damage to ecosystems if released. Proper containment and disposal methods are essential to prevent any accidental releases. Laboratories, semiconductor manufacturers, and even some places that make food products also need to monitor HCl levels. In laboratories, HCl is often used in various experiments and chemical reactions. Semiconductor manufacturers use it in the production of electronic components, where precision and safety are critical. Food processing plants may use HCl for cleaning and sterilization purposes, ensuring that the products are safe for consumption. Basically, anywhere HCl is used or stored needs to have detectors to keep people and the planet safe. The presence of these detectors acts as a safeguard, providing an early warning system that can prevent potential disasters. By investing in reliable HCl monitoring systems, industries can protect their workers, comply with safety regulations, and contribute to a healthier environment. The importance of these measures cannot be overstated, as they play a crucial role in maintaining safety and sustainability in various sectors. Section 5. Fixed versus portable detectors. Choosing the right tool. There are two main types of HCl detectors, fixed and portable. Fixed detectors are permanently installed in specific locations where HCl is present. They're like the smoke detectors in your house, always on guard. Portable detectors are smaller and can be carried around. They're useful for workers who might be exposed to HCl in different areas, or for checking for leaks in hard-to-reach places. It's like having a personal HCl sniffer. Both types are important for keeping people safe. Section 6. Maintaining your detectors. Essential for safety. Having detectors is great, but they need to be in tip-top shape to work properly. Just like you take your car in for regular checkups, HCl detectors need regular maintenance and calibration. Calibration ensures the detector is accurate and will sound the alarm at the right HCl concentration. Imagine a smoke detector going off every time you make toast. Calibration prevents false alarms and ensures you're alerted only when there's a real danger.